In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and sign up for a Facebook account. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So the first thing you want to do is go to facebook.com homepage, and then once you're here, you can go ahead and create a Facebook page right from the homepage here. So what you're going to go ahead and do is go ahead and put in your first name, put in your second name, put in your email address, and then go ahead and copy and paste that into here, and then go ahead and create a password. So go ahead and create a password, and then go ahead and put in your date of birth, and then select your gender. And then once you've done that, go ahead and click on this sign up button here. And it's up to you whether you go ahead and save your password or anything like that. And then, like it says here, you're going to have to go ahead and go over to your Gmail account and get the code that they do send you through. So I've gone ahead and done that straight away. And then go ahead and paste it into there and then click on continue. So please make sure you do use the correct email address when you are signing up. And then once you've done that, there it is, guys. I've gone ahead and I've created a Facebook account in under a couple of minutes. It's super simple, super easy. So if this video did help you, please remember to leave a like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, guys.